Hello everyone, and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an account to play Minecraft Java Edition. Now, you might be looking for how to create a Mojang account, but it's important to know that new Mojang accounts no longer exist because all Mojang accounts are now Microsoft accounts. So I will guide you through the correct process of setting up a Microsoft account for playing Minecraft. So now, without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So just for a quick bit of context, a few years ago, Microsoft, who owns Minecraft, moved all the players from the old Mojang system to their own Microsoft account system. This was done for better security and to connect everyone under the same login. So now to play Minecraft, you need to simply have a Microsoft account. So now I will show you how to do that. To get started, you need to go to the official Minecraft website in your web browser. So all you have to do is simply go to a URL and type minecraft.net. Then hit enter. Now, once you're on the home page, the process will begin. So it's extremely simple. So first, look for the login button that is usually at the top right corner here. Simply click on that, and you should be able to see the login button. Now what you'll do is simply click on Create Account here.
Now this will take you to the login page, or the account creation page. So I will simply assume you don't have an account yet. Now, in this case, you will have an account creation page which will look something like this. Click on Create an Account. Now what you'll see is the official Microsoft account creation page. So first you'll need to add an email address here. Now, there are two types of emails that you can use. First is an Outlook email that you can create on Outlook.com. So if you want to see that, simply open a new tab and search for Outlook.com. Now wait for a few seconds and Outlook.com will open up in front of you. Here you can create an Outlook account. So that's one possibility. Or you can simply use your regular Gmail account as well. Like for example, in this video, we'll be using a simple Gmail account. So enter the Gmail account and click on Next. A verification code will be sent to you on the email address that you provided, so simply go to your inbox and check that. And as you can see, you will receive the verification code here. So simply copy the code and come back to this page and paste it. Now wait for a few seconds. After that, Microsoft will ask you for some basic info, like your country, date of birth, stuff like that. So you simply enter all the information here, like your month, your date, and your year, and then simply hit Next. After that, simply add your name that you want for your account. After that, click on Next. You have to do a quick human verification, so simply complete that. As you can see, the human verification could be anything for all the users, so simply keep that in mind and complete the human verification. It can also be a simple type of CAPTCHA, too. So once the human verification is completed, you should be able to see an option like this. And if you were able to see this, that means your Microsoft account has been made. And now you have to set up your Minecraft profile.
So click on this pencil option and choose Your Profile. Pick whatever you want for your Minecraft account and your Minecraft nickname as well. Let's say, for example, Mad Max, and then wait a few seconds. If you see this checkmark option, that means the profile name can be used, and then all you have to do is save the account and continue. Now simply wait for a few more seconds, and after that, you should be able to see your account. And again, wait a few seconds as your account is currently being logged in. And the moment you click on this option, you should be able to see your new account that you created for Minecraft. And then once the account is made, you can go to the shop section or the game section to buy Minecraft Java. And as you can see, this is here, Minecraft Java Edition. If you scroll down, you can download the game here by clicking on this buy option. So that's it. You have now successfully created a Microsoft account and linked it to a new Minecraft profile. Now all you have to do is purchase the Minecraft Java Edition for your PC, and then you can play. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.